In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make resume from template like this and customize it and make resume like this according to your qualification. Plus, I will break down and provide some tips and tricks to edit this template and make your own resume. First of all, I will change the name here, change it. Then the contact information in here, you will add address, phone number and Gmail. Then for LinkedIn, you can put the link in here or you can add the link in here or embed the link. Same thing for your portfolio website or portfolio. For job title or summary, you can add your job title in here. For this, I add the job title in here, Senior Software Engineer. Now here, the next section, years of experience, high performance keyword and plus personal branding statement. For this, I add this 10 years of experience, software development, agile methodologies. For personal branding statement, I add that. You can skip that according to your preference. Now here you should add your signature achievement. For this resume, I add this type of signature achievement in here, like led cross-functional teams in developing scalable and secure web applications, resulting in a 30% increase in user engagement. You can put the summary in here according to your preference. Now the next part, core competence, strength and expertise or key proficiency. For this resume, I delete these things and it remains core competence. For core competence, I add these things: software development, object-oriented programming, design patterns, algorithms and data structure, testing and web debugging, version control system, agile methodology, software design principle. For software skills and other soft skills, I add this section. Like for software skills, programming language, framework, libraries, operating systems, database, and for others, this section in here. And for soft skills, communication, problem solving, teamwork, others. It's not mandatory for tech type of jobs. Now delete these things. Now the job experience section in here, you see it's required job title, company name, job type, location and duration. For this, I added it like this, like senior software engineer, Google, full-time, Mountain View, and the duration in here. So I delete this portion in here. Now for the job description. For job description, I add 4 bullet points. You can delete it or decrease it according to your preference. Let's delete these things. I use action verb, technical term, and what he do, keyword, skill set to describe how he do, a plus result oriented matrix. We check this job description in here, like design and developed scalable and secure web applications using Springbot framework, Java, ensuring high performance and user satisfaction. Plus, I also use result-oriented metrics in here. Also, I mentioned mentor junior developers, fostering collaborative and efficient team environment, a soft skill in here. Similar way, I add this job description in here. Senior software engineer, Amazon, full-time, Seattle. Now, the project section in here. For this section, I use title, institution, location or duration, and how you can change it. For this project, I add this as an example, like microservice, architecture for scalable cloud development, Amazon Web Services, internal project, location, Seattle, Washington, duration 1 year. So let's delete this. And now it's time to add the description. For description, I add this. For training section, I add it like this. Like for the title, machine learning for engineers with TensorFlow. Institution name is Google Cloud Platform. Location is here online. Duration is 2 weeks. That's the description. Now the education section. For the education section, I added it like this. Now you can delete this section in here. You should include honors section 2. Now for the coursework, if related to your job industry. This coursework was related to his job industry. That's why I add coursework in here like this. Now about the certification and award. For this section, I add the certification in here. I add 2 certification in here like this, which is related to his job industry. Now for the language, you can change according to your preference and hobbies and volunteer work. I add some volunteer work that is related to his job industry, like open source contribution and robotics club mentor, which is related to tech industry. Now you can edit additional information in here, like willingness to travel or relocate, citizenship, sponsorship required or not, availability, and remote settings. This is a very well structured resume in here. If we look into the structure, here is the summary section, here is the skill section, here is job experience section in here is the project, here is the training, here is the education section, there is the coursework, certification, language, volunteer work, and additional information, which is very correlated. And the project, training, education, coursework, certification, all edited synchronously. Now if we look into the summary section or about section in here, we use keywords, years of experience, job title, plus result oriented metrics like this. In the skill section, we segment it very well or synchronously. Even it is very compatible with ATS format, plus even non-tech people will easily understand this resume. And here is the job experience section. We started with action verb, we use result oriented matrix, we use keyword and skill set name. In the project section, we also use action verb plus skill name, plus we use result oriented matrix. In the coursework section, we also use some keywords. Keep the award section in here, we use certification. I hope this video will help you to make your own resume professionally. Thank you to watch this video. Kindly like, share or subscribe this video so that others can watch this video and make their own resume. Thank you.